Yes, sir. We're back again with another reaction video, man. Diana Ankudinova. I don't know why I break her name like that, but that's how far I can try to say her name. Ankudinova, bro. This sister, baby, lady, princess, y'all can finish them, man. Whatsoever attribute you wanna give her, bro, she is a trillion. Let me put it that way. Her vocals, her delivery, her deep voice. Come on now. Like, what kind of food does she eat? I don't know. And she is still young. She is still young. Not even up to 25. But the strength of her lung, the amount of strength that she can hold her vocals, bro. We're just gonna go straight into this reaction. Blizzard. I don't know what Blizzard is, but we're gonna Blizzard-light. let's Blizzard-light this together, man. Russia, y'all stand up, man. Y'all stand up. Let's do this for her, man. Let's do this for her. Let's go. Let's welcome the queen of the mic. Her sounds be so scary, man.
Где-то там за окном ходит зима. Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем. И меня тишина.
Bro could not even win. He could not win, bro. He's like, he could not even win. He couldn't take it. Oh my goodness. He could not even handle that, bro. But listen, this is crazy. Like, I don't know how she does this, but it's like she's coming like she's whispering in your ear. The next moment is like she's talking. The next moment is like she's rapping. The next moment is like it's a man voice. The next moment is a deep voice. The next moment is like she's mumbling. It's like we can't predict how she's gonna come in. Like when the song come on, we don't know how she is coming. It's like you just gotta wait to get it. It's like this time I don't know. Wow, is she? I don't know. Like, bro, you never know. Milk.
И опять не уснуть в доме пустом. Тихо, саваном белым вьюга, дом мой укрой, где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то.
Yo, I don't know how she does it, but she do it. I do not know how she does it, but she do it. Like, what kind of thing is this, bro? What kind of thing is this? I don't know how she do it, but she do it somehow. Like, what kind of thing is going on here? Melga. Whew. Jesus, bro. I don't know how she control her voices like that, but somehow she still find a way to do it. Whew.
Где-то там в тишине ходит февраль. Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там.
Her body language, her delivery, her vocals, like it don't matter who you is, bro. she's gonna move you on. She's gonna make you wanna hit it up. I'm telling you. Like, there is no way she can go somewhere and perform without her winning. Her body language, her delivery, her actions itself. Unless you are a real big hater. Or you don't even know nothing about music. Even somebody that is a deaf, bro, even a deaf is gonna hear her. I swear to God.
Вдалеке никогда ты не поймешь, где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты. Саванном белый.
What were you waiting for? What were you waiting for?
Ты засыпаешь где-то, но не со мной.
What were they waiting? They were trying to hold it like, listen, bro, I'm a roll around, you ain't gonna hit it. I'm gonna get it to the end, bro. I'm a roll. You cannot. You cannot, bro. You can't resist from this. There's no way. There is no way that you're gonna hold this in you without letting it out. Literally, no way. Rosha, y'all got it. Look at it.
Ходит зима, слышишь, как замерзаю снова я без тебя.
Man! Woo! She's like she's about to fight. She's standing there like I'm about to kick y'all all off. Don't give me this and see what is about to go down. Oh my God, bro. Milk. This same performance right here, hell yeah, is one of the performance. This performance right here, bro, I'm gonna lie, this is the one. Man, let's see this last part again, man, a little bit.
Я без тебя.
All her performance that I've watched on this stage, she always win all the 4 votes. There is none of her performance that we don't watch on this stage that she didn't win the vote. She always win all the votes. Always go to all the vote, bro. I support her. I'm behind her. Hope y'all behind her too, man. Until then, y'all let me know how y'all feel about it, and y'all keep sending me what to react on. Catch y'all on the next one.